growth's been enormous. And I think that everyone feels like you can probably do it your own way. But for me, as a new business, just having that education that's then got me there in the space of 2 years has been amazing. My name's John. I run Berkshire Heating Solutions based in Bracknell, Berkshire. We cover anywhere, kind of Berkshire, Surrey, Hampshire, anywhere within sort of 30, 40 minutes of where we are. Before I joined the Trade Mastermind, I suppose the biggest challenge for me was struggling to grow. As a new business, I'd only been around maybe 18 months on my own. I was struggling to grow, so I had a good customer base, a good reputation. But you can't grow unless you can kind of guarantee the workload, and word of mouth only gets you so far. Trade Mastermind, I open my eyes to forms of online lead generation, where to find the jobs, where to manage the jobs. And then for me, from there, it's just a case of then winning the jobs. So once I knew what was coming in, I could then make a business plan from there as to how I wanted to grow. And obviously over the last 2 years, that's just been massive for me. In my first year of business, I fitted, I think it was 38, 39 boilers on my own. I thought it was reasonably good for someone in my position. Since joining the Trade Mastermind, I think year 2, we hit 99 boilers, so an improvement of just over 100%. And then this year we've gone from 99, I think we're around 205, 210 boilers. So again, another 100% on top of that. So from where we started, it's at 400 or 500% we've increased. Growth's been enormous. And I think that everyone feels like you can probably do it your own way, but for me as a new business, just having that education that's then got me there in the space of 2 years has been amazing. So now I'm then looking at kind of getting into renewables, into different markets, but with the same business model. Having the guys the last 2 years has been incredible for us. Trade Mastermind for me has been like a support network. So on top of being there with masterminds once a month, you've got that point of contact on the phone when you need it through the week as well. So that support you've got in the background has just made running a business a whole lot easier. There's problems with recruitment, there's problems with lead generation, problems with lead management. You've got a point of contact that you can speak to, and for me that's been immense for us. I'd say if you're thinking of joining the Trade Mastermind, for me it's a two-way thing. I think you've got to put in the effort to get it out as well, so it works both ways. But if you're willing to put the work in, then you've got the support network there and there's nothing there to hold you back. For me, I'd definitely recommend it. It's given me more confidence in, I suppose, in selling. It's given me more confidence going into the home, winning work, and just the processes behind it. So for me, probably a confidence I take into other things now. I think I was quite introverted before, and then now that you put yourself in that position, make yourself uncomfortable with it, it makes you grow as a business owner. So for me, that's been great. If you're a tradesperson looking to grow and improve as a business owner, then I'd definitely recommend the Trade Mastermind.